authorities are battling massive wildfires in Australia. The blazes already deadly, threatening both humans and animals, and officials say the scorching temperatures and arid conditions are only making matters worse. Reed Binion reports.
High temperatures and fierce winds are feeding wildfires, tearing a path of devastation across parts of Australia. The smoke and haze blackening the skies and blotting out the sun, making dawn look like midnight and mid-morning simply apocalyptic. In addition to civilian fatalities, yet another volunteer firefighter has been confirmed dead. The fires also taking a destructive toll on wildlife. Kangaroos seen running by the dozens through an open field, fleeing the flames and smoke. Other animals, parched by the heat and flames, relying on the kindness of human passers-by for water. Elsewhere, ashes and charred debris are washing up on beaches. Roughly 4,000 people trapped on a beach after an entire town was evacuated as flames closed in. The New Year's Eve fireworks display in Sydney Harbor, an enormously popular event in years past, nearly got called off this year due to the fires. But officials opted to move forward with the display after weighing several factors.
Obviously, this is not a new thing. New Year's Eve and other events coincide with bad fire weather and total fire bans, and we do have provisions to provide exemptions for firework activities right across New South Wales.
I'm Reed Binion reporting.